Welcome to EDU World Space.
In problem 20, we have a person that's on a diving board 3 meters above the water line in a pool. And at the bottom of the pool, there is a penny, and the person sees the penny, or the penny appears to the person to be 7 meters from where they are. And they're looking at normal incidence. And so what's happening is that the light is coming from the direction of the penny into the person's eye. And the apparent distance, let's call it the image distance. So this is the S prime distance. It's on the same side as the incoming light. So that tells us right away that S prime is negative, right? So this is an important point to keep in mind. And we're asked to find the depth of the water at the point at which the person sees the penny. So we can use equation, this equation, Na over S, NB over S prime is equal to 0. And this is equation 34.13. Now, the idea here is to solve for S. We know Na, we know NB, so Na is water, so that's 1.333, and this is air, so that's 1. And well, we need to solve for S, but we need to at first appropriately determine S prime, because we have the information to determine S prime, but we don't know S prime exactly, because S prime is determined relative to the interface of the two media and not by the observer. So the 7 meters is not the S prime. In fact, S prime is the parent distance of the penny to this interface, the air-water interface. So that would actually be the difference between these two. So the difference between the height at which the person is located, or the height of the diving board, and the observed distance of the penny. So we have then 7 meters. So S prime is 7 meters minus 3 meters, which gives us 4 meters. So now we have everything that we need. So we only have one unknown, which is S. And if we just kind of mess around with this equation by rearranging it, we find that S is equal to minus NA over NB times S prime. Now, I wrote 4 meters here, but I need to be careful, right? Because I said S prime is negative. So I need to put a minus sign in front of that to account for the sign convention, which I just explained earlier, that it's on the same, the apparent distance is on the same side as the incoming light, as opposed to the outgoing light. So you need to have a minus sign. And the sign convention was explained in section 34.1 of your textbook. So S prime really is minus 4 meters. Okay, so all that's left to do is just plug in the numbers. So we have minus 1.33 over 1 times minus 4 meters. And this gives us 5.32 meters.